Marco Asensio scored a cracking goal in the 89th minute to save Real Madrid from further embarrassment on Thursday night, but a kit man grabbed the headlines for his unacceptable behavior during the game. Leganes conceded in the final minutes of the game, after holding out for a goalless draw, and with emotions running high throughout as the referee made a series of questionable decisions. Los Blancos' goal was too much for kit man Juan Dominguez. Dominguez was throwing his hands in air, as well as shouting at the official in a threatening way during the game, and at full time, things escalated even further. In the referee's report, it describes what the Leganes kit man said to the officials, and it makes for incredible reading. Once upon a time at Real Madrid. Once sent off, he spoke to the fourth official in a threatening way, telling them they were effing cowards, and at the end of the game turned on the refereeing team again. The report states he told us we were a bunch of shameless mugs on various occasions before going back to his club's dressing room. In other news, Barcelona are now a massive 19 points ahead of Real Madrid in La Liga. The defending Spanish champions lost their fourth league game of the season last weekend, losing 1-0 to Villarreal. The following day, Barcelona fought back from 2 down to record all 3 points by beating Real Sociedad 4-2, winning at the Anoeta Stadium for the first time since 2007. Thoughts on Los Blancos' performances of late? What's going wrong at the Bernabeu? Let us know in the comments.